So you want to be your own boss. This trailer is going to help you do that. This trailer is the perfect setup for that non-CDL hotshot gig that you've been looking for. I'm going to talk to you about our PJ 40-foot LS model and show you why this is the best value for your money. This trailer's got everything a professional would expect out of their trailer. All-weather wiring harness, Gemco easy latch coupler. We got a one-piece neck design that makes this trailer look like a professional's trailer. We've got a full-size toolbox for your chains and binders, and this side step gets out of the way when you're not using it. This is a low-profile trailer. It's got limpet axles, 7,000 pounds each. And one of the best parts about this unit is that we upgraded the tires from a 10-ply up to a 14-ply tire, because that's what we know that you need. We know that DOT compliance is one of the concerns of many hotshotters. So this trailer has protected wiring and lights inside tubing, and that's something that's going to keep you DOT compliant as you're going down the road. In addition, this trailer has ramps. They just slide out right over here and hook in right over here so that you can load any kind of equipment. At Happy Trailers, we have trailer experts at 12 locations across Texas and Oklahoma who are ready to help you with your trailer needs. We offer parts, service, trade-ins, and we're here to help you answer all your trailer questions.